Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use travel voucher on Airasia. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Airasia account, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Airasia? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type airasia.com, and once you do that, it's going to take you right into the official website for Airasia. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into the fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Airasia. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to use travel voucher on Airasia. First, you need to book a flight. And let's say we have this, I'd check if this is one-way, round trip, or multi-city choose, and click on this to add a guest and to, of course, add your travel class. So if you want Asia flights only, check this box, add your location, destination, and your departure date. Click on search. That takes you to this window where you can now select the flight that you want. So let's say I'm selecting this flight in here. Click on select. As you can see, it's preparing my add-on. So you're in this window. If you want to add baggage allowance, or you need to pick a seat, or you need to add value meal, travel protection, any of those, go ahead and click on continue. Now add your guest details. I'm going to select this date of birth. I agree. Select your number. India and contact. So do you need travel insurance or not? So we're here in this window. Okay, so this is the payments window, and that is pretty much the last window. So if you have a voucher that you want, head over here where you have total payment and select e-gift voucher. Now once you select e-gift voucher, add the voucher number that you have and click on add. Now once you click on add, that's going to be it. Maximum of 5 vouchers may be applied. After doing that and filling out all of these details, go ahead and click on purchase, and you'll be able to make payment using your travel voucher. So that's pretty much how to use travel voucher on Airasia. So you can go over to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.